Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Muhammad Asim and my group partners are Mr. Mujahid Abbas and Arshad Ali, and here we are showing our final year project 1. Our final project 1 is basis on the EMG signals. EMG signals are transmitted from the human body when tissues are in working positions. Now at this in this our project we are taking the signals from the hands of a person. For this purpose we used two pairs of the electrodes, one pair for the bicep and one for the tricep signal, and one electrode is for the ground. In the for this purpose we use a circuit. In the circuit we have a 9 volt DC battery, and this is voltage regulator, and this IC provides the virtual ground, and here we have a ground of our electrode, and this is our INA 118, which is a very famous instrumentational amplifier, and this portion is for one pair of electrode, and this portion is for another pair of electrodes. Now in the software we can see the electrical signals of biceps and triceps. Now this is the signals of biceps, which is colored yellow, and the red signal is the yellow one. Signal shows the signal is generated from the bicep, and the red signal shows the signal generated from the triceps. Now I am moving I move my biceps. Now yellow signal is generated, and now I am moving my triceps. Now the red signal is generated. Now the strength of our means tricep signals is low, because our tricep signals as compared to the bicep signals are very low power, so its amplitudes are very low. Now we implemented the algorithms in the software LabVIEW for the simulation of the robotic arm. And now here I am showing the work on the movement of our biceps, and the red signal is showing the movement of my triceps. Here you can see the signal. When I don't move any, the signal is ground, means there is no signal, but it is a noise. Okay. Here you can see the signal is generated. Now I am moving my triceps, and at this time I am not moving my hand, so there is no signal. Great. We have acquired the signal from the microphone cable, and we receive the signal at the two channels, one channel for biceps and another channel for the triceps. Now this section is for the biceps, and this section is for the triceps. Now now you can see the motion of my biceps and the signal at here. This is the signal generated, and this is the power spectrum of the biceps. The actual frequency of the EMG signal is about 500 Hz, but our main signal exists in the 0 to 250 Hz. Now this is the rectified signal, and this is the smooth signal. Now you can see when I move my biceps, the amplitudes of this will be increased, and when I move my triceps, the amplitude of this will be increased. This arm is synchronized with my arm, and when I move my hand, it also moves, and the movement is depend on my torque. How much torque I produce means how much torque is produced by biceps or triceps, the movement will be faster of this robotic arm. Let's suppose this I am moving this, so there will be very slow motion, and when I apply force, there will be a big torque is generated from my arm, and it will move faster.